Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Crove app review. So what actually is Crove app? Guys, Crove app is an online document generator that saves you time by automating the process of creating repetitive business documents. Guys, this is my honest review about this software Crove. I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you. I'm going to show you the customer reviews. I'm going to show you the pricing and Otos of this software Crove. You can see the lifetime deal here, but if you purchase this lifetime deal, you will get a limited feature. So I'm going to show you guys all of these, so stay tuned. I highly recommend don't skip this video. Okay, automatically create repetitive business documents through streaming your workflow. You can see the AppSumo. You will purchase this software Crove. Lifetime deal is here from AppSumo actually, and you can see 120 reviews. I'm going to show you all of these. Okay guys, and you can also watch this video. You will be fully understand. Click the link in my video description below. Okay guys, and you can see some details okay, the back end of this software like this, and also like this. You will be able to also connect to Jeff here. Okay, and here is the details. I'm going to show right now the plan and features, deal times and conditions, lifetime access to Crove, all future professional plan updates. You must redeem your codes within 60 days of purchase, stock up to 5 codes, GDPR compliant. Previous AppSumo customers who purchased Crove can buy more codes to increase their feature limits. Guys, if you purchase Crove, you will get 60-day money back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. So if you are interested person about this type of apps, you can purchase it because they will provide 60-day money back guarantee. But this software already got lots of bad reviews. I'm going to show you also the bad reviews from verified purchaser. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything. Features includes in wall plans. This software have lots of plans. You can see the wall plans. 5 codes are available in 5 plan also. No watermark. Unlimited template creation. E-sign. Rich templates editor with logical conditions, prompts with a branching logic, and API and web hooks, support for 160 plus languages via Google Translate, access to library of 100 plus templates plus any future templates created, expressions to add Excel format, side-by-side preview, lists, disable documents preview, and file attachment, DPA for GDPR, custom forms, template permission, customized name of generated documents. Guys, here is the plan and pricing. The single plan is $89. All features above included, 1000 documents per month and 1 user. This is a personal license basically. Okay guys, you can see the $89. This is the lifetime deal. Never forget that about also. And double one-time purchase of $178. Wallpapers above included, unlimited documents per month and 5 users. Guys, do you have one-line agency or you lots of business? Do you have lots of business, online business? You can purchase this multiple license. All features above included, unlimited documents per month, 10 users and white labeling, and buy 3 codes. And guys, this is the creator of the software, Crove. Okay, my name is Crove and I'm the co-founder of Crove. Actually, sorry for this mistake. We are document automation software product which helps you in creating template-based workflows to automate your documents. Our current customer use Crove, so you can also use Crove. Guys, right now I'm going to show you the review, the verified review from the customers. Okay, so real review that no one can share with you this type of information, guys. Okay, and you can see the short by the newest. Here is the newest review and filtered by wall. I just select wall and that's it. I'm going to show you. You can see the verified processor. Okay, 3 star. He give 3 star. Missing some features. I had envisioned seg boxes are clunky, and this is a bad review. Actually, I had envisioned being able to fill out a form. Guys, if you want to read the full review and full details, click the link in my video description below about this software, Crove. That will help you actually purchase this software. This is the another very fine review, keeps getting better. This is the 5-star review. Sometimes you can see the good review, sometimes you can see also the bad review. So I am a promoter of this software. I am a reviewer. Our goal is to help you. That's why I share all the information with you that no one can share with you guys. Okay, this person 8 months ago purchased this software, Crove, and he's a happy customer. Okay, and here is a 4-star review. 4-star review is not a bad. Missing a basic feature, this is not a bad. They will solve their problem actually. And here is a 4-star review. Okay guys, here is a 2-star review. Honestly, I like the software, but some concerns after use. Chat response is good, so customer service is NP. The silence is this platform is just missing a lot. A lot has been. Guys, keep in mind this is the one-time payment, only $89 also, and that's it. This is enough to purchase this. Okay, and you can see also the Kevin 35 verified purchases are very helpful, but how did they miss this? And there's some shared experience. You can also share these. Okay guys, and here is the clicks verified processor. This app is useful, but there are many things missed. I assume we are talking about a very small team behind this project, likely too. The speed of implementing features is very slow. To give 5, I need to see more robust platform. There are many things that need to be sensed. You only comprehended it once you start using it, as I did. I would code for 3 codes but cannot access it. I based one existing version. This person also give 3 stars, so this is good. 3 star is good. Here is the so much better this software, and this is good. 5-star review, and this is also 5-star review, a must have for this is the verified processor, guys. Keep in mind for every business. And that's it guys, this is also the 3-star review. Quality is good. This is the software overview, Crove. So if you want to purchase or if you want to learn more, click the link in my video description below and check out also the full information. Also you can check out this video, you'll be fully understand. Guys, I hope you understand about this software Crove. I think you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Keep in mind our goal is to help you. So guys, please like, comment and share this video.